this look like we didn't like catch no fish. You better way I'll go here right now.
But I see in life, you have to have patience. You can't move so rushy. So it's a 1-1 cocoa, full basket. You see me? The world is a big place and you can't go like you want to take giant steps. Just take your time and do it. You see me? You can't do. You know, see me move. Me take my time. Me not fussy. Me not fussy. Me take my time. A fishing I do, you know. So sometimes you come now catch none. Then next time you come you catch fish. I think say fisherman go see go catch fish just one time. So all week staying out there. So sometimes they are lost out there. So just go and enjoy yourself. At least we have fun. We remember the days where we there so I try for fishing. You see me? You have to cherish them days there. Just remember that.
Alright bro, so may I catch our fight now man?
Alright, hold it. Just hold it, you know. Hold it. If you see line move. You don't want to take your time, you don't move so fast.
You ready? So I'm thinking of a wash.
Wash already. Who are you doing so much of the clothes?
I'm in gym clothes.
Oh, come here.
So I'm thinking of a wash.
Hello. Good morning. Can I help you?
Hey.
You guys going up to the river?
Obviously.
What's your name?
Kwana.
Kwana?
And this is Yannick.
Oh, hi Yannick. I'm Peter.
So you're from... What's me see around here?
Not from up here, no. It's my aunt. Me come look for. It's my aunt me come look for.
Okay.
So that's why I'm up here. I'm still going back now, so, but I'd love to get to know you though. Because at first, I come out to the shop and I say, no, sir, you just tick like a cow shit.
What?
You never seen cow shit before? It's not a bad thing.
Yannick, hear this. If somebody tick like a cow shit, you don't know how cow shit look.
That's disgusting.
No, it's not. It's not. It's so disgusting, but it's not. It's just that she's very
At
thick.
first, somebody
So
ever
you
said
say my color shit then?
No, but look. You're thick. You're thick. It's not a bad thing. Yeah,
Girl.
myself.
I'm gonna start to cut to but me come go.
Alright, me link you. Okay. So this is my stop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jano, we could have spent the rest of the day or rest of the evening with it.
You just meet me.
Yeah, but no, we just meet it, but I enjoyed the river.
Not gonna lie, I did too. But this is my stop still, and we have things we're going to do.
Alright, so we can't finish this conversation over the phone then. Can I have a number?
I'm gonna like give you my number. I'm gonna just meet
Come
people.
on. We're just gonna be friends.
Tell you what, if you really want it, you know where I live. Come back for it.
Next time I come? Alright.
I didn't that day.
No, you know, this half yet in my parish, you know. But my sister, I would have boy them see that talk to no much, you know.
I don't know him, I first me I see him just offer for help me with the boat down the river.
Yeah. Yo, look, you know. You see them young youth there. Them a user, you know, you have to know what you're doing, you know, my sister. You can't just see a person for you first and say nice. So you know say nice.
Just the way him a talk to my big bro. I don't know. I don't like saying nothing serious or nothing like that to just a conversation we have. I'm not even give him my number a while ago.
Make sure you say you don't give me a number.
I'm not give him it, man. Bro, you know you're too overprotective sometimes. Tell him to come back feet though.
Okay.
That's why I like stay over anti-marg, you know, because I don't get all of them restrictions here, you know, man. But we got eat for dinner.
Well, I know, so I don't know this. I have to go in my porridge, you know.
We're supposed to have some ackee in the fridge though.
Maybe. You know, so I cooked last night.
So if you cook me ackee and not give me none.
You know, so I cook with some chunks, and because I know say you don't eat chunks, I don't offer you none. But don't worry, I'm going to buy a piece of chicken, man, for you to eat later.
Alright then, do we have to do?
Yo, go down at Nablet and buy 2 juices.
Respect. You know someone say something to you though?
What that?
I don't know if you could have give me one shirt or anything. I'm glad for that.
Yeah,
Please.
Yeah, someone, just go down Nablet and when I don't know, come link down here, I'm going to give you one shirt.
Alright, then now forward.
Alright. Now forward.
Thanks here, bro. Love you, know.
Nah,
Yeah, man. Respect
you know
me. Me watch you and care about.
Alright, just do it, man. Just make sure say you have condom, you know.
Yeah,
But you know them little young girls nowadays. Just protect yourself.
Sure, real talk.
I do it and be safe on the road, here.
Yeah.
Alright. General, Shakwana did it?
Who?
Shakwana, your sister.
I want Shakwana.
You know, say that's something I just come to talk to her about.
Yeah, man, she there, but I want to talk to you. Yeah, man. You know, so what do you see you carry the pandemic for my sister, you know, and drop off here, so watch her. And I give you 100, see, I love my sister, you know. So make sure, say, you show her respect and don't hurt her. You get what I say?
No, man, I don't do nothing for her, man. I see her sister and I like her, isn't it? There's just something about her I just really love. I don't want to forget her. But her sister, so I understand how protective you can be over her and I be protective over her too, because she's a very nice girl. I see him, so I'm overprotective over my little brother, see me, but she not good hands, man. So what do my name?
Jimmy, you know.
Jimmy,
Yeah,
Peter.
man. Alright, everything good. Shakwana!
Oi!
Alright, Peter, that's not me.
Alright, bless up. Oh my God. Oh my God. Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh my God, you're so beautiful.
Stop. You know, so I can't. You couldn't tell me say somebody out here to me. You just call me out here. You know how my head stay.
Nothing is wrong with that. Come on.
I know nothing is wrong with that, but come on.
Anyways, I don't know. I'm coming for you.
Then you're really persistent, man. Come never expect to see back around the side.
So you think I'm crazy enough to spend a whole day at the river actually basically help you wash, and that was for a joke? I really like you and interested. And one thing can talk to you, I think I need to talk to you over the phone. Like before I go to bed, when I wake in the morning, I want to know how your day is going. If you have a bad day, a good day, anything at all. I want to know.
Honestly, I catch a vibe when I'm around you. I like your energy. But this don't mean you get in. You meet my brother and see him in school with it. So, give me a game number. Let's see where this can go.
Alright. I'm in no rush though, but
Alright, so, this year.
alright. Yo, Jimmy. Take care, yeah? Alright.
You see, what make you do with that?
What do
You know how my head stay and you call me and I make me know that somebody running to me.
And
Now
Rassi
that
for Rassi here.
I not rust no ear.
And Rassi for Rassi.
From my little I try to get my first, I not rust no ear.
Bro, hold on.
You want some?
What you mean, man? When I eat some mess?
Look in the house up here once, so scare them. What is that? Where you come from?
Oh, why you had me there? Did I sleep? I'm going to go and check it.
Oh, mommy alright?
Yeah, man, she good, man.
I'm up there going
I watch TV.
watch TV.
Yeah. Respect.
What kind of stress you want for?
Pineapple?
What about yours?
Oh. Alright.
You still have that shot down my gear, man?
Yeah, man, me care, man.
That kind of growing night, you know.
Yeah, deal with that now, bro.
There, I go on normal, man.
I'm there too, man.
Say no miss me?
Someone must miss a beer is a kind of question. Like, come on.
How was the drive though?
Driver's okay.
Oh. Alright, let's see you too, baby. Come on now, come on, you want it. Yo, big up yourself, man. Up, man, up. door lock, you couldn't let me stay lock.
No man, me know say from in a lock with the key, me know say you're not gone far.
What?
There man.
You couldn't let me juice alone.
At least that man, me can't buy back. Yo, me take it by cologne, eh?
So brother, if you spray the cologne, you're not gonna know where I go.
I go on the road, go deal with something and come back, man. I see what can go on.
So which one woman there?
She asleep. She up her yard.
Alright, do you do, bro?
Alright.
Jaja.
So you mean to tell me say you couldn't, you know say me I come. Get up man. And you couldn't tidy the place for me?
Yes, God no man. Tired man from a week. Me just tired, babes. Tired. Man, tired.
Alright. Pull up the clothes then.
You alright?
Yes.
You sure?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes. Pull up the clothes then.
Babes, I miss you, man. I miss those lips.
You know how long you're supposed to send for me? Eh? I met me in a bus all long. The taxi man, the conductor all I get mad for me and them somebody. You don't love me.
I'm fair when we talk.
You don't love me.
Hey, darling.
Mm-hmm.
Alright?
It hurt me. Thanks for taking the clothes on my falling for me.
Tired, man. There, so I'm gonna relax.
So you have plans for the Valentine's Day?
Well, we can just stay home and cook. No, I'll cook.
I want to stay home and go somewhere nice. So I buy you a shirt. Yeah. Grab a match on me, Avan.
Like a match. But you match me already.
Whatever, man.
You see?
Yeah, I'm going to go cook some food.
Alright. Here.
Oh, go on. You good? Alright, man, go out there.
Peter, we make you drink the ensure and put the empty bottle back in the fridge. Tell me, son, you. I buy one bottle of ensure for drink with my dinner. You have to take it and drink it. Upon top of it, you left the empty bottle in the fridge.
Come on, look like somebody drink ensure too.
Everybody drink ensure, so I don't know what you're talking about. I left the... And now you drink the ensure?
Connor, I don't drink ensure.
You know what, say,
You know
your
this
brother
too.
drink the ensure? Nobody cannot tell me, say, I know your brother drink the ensure.
So I can't go accuse him now.
Who else would drink the ensure? Me and you alone there. And him come here when him feel like. Who else would drink it? And left the bottle in the flipping fridge. Mad? Am I crazy? When I drink ensure, boy? Am I a woman? A girl alone me know drink ensure.
Me not think you not really take it.
You think it funny?
So babes, why could I really possibly
I
take
go
up
on about
the
my ensure now, because I don't understand that kind of behavior there. And then you go tell me, say,
Alright, babes. I'll buy it back.
it's not about the bite, but no.
Babe, come on. Just stop. Stop cause over ensure, me buy it back.
You keep on
listen,
saying you will buy it back, and that's not the point. That's not the point. That's not the point, Peter. That's not the point. The point me I try to make is him just come in here and him do him like what, when him like, how him like. Him not have no regard for nobody who living here. Him know who for ensure him I drink it. Him know what it is for. And you say you talk to him and still him keep on under them petty things here.
Connor, can I talk now? Can I talk?
You know what?
Listen. You don't know what nothing. Him don't drink it already, and me I go buy it back. Just stop behaving so please, me I beg you. You're too beautiful for some miserable man. And I just add a little food, cause when I eat it or drink it, yes, it'll come back right out in the toilet. So you're not good to cuss over them, man. Just,
Okay.
I love you.
Brother,
Yo. Come here.
how kind of style that man born to put vinegar in a drinks?
Pop it, where you get that from?
Now in the fridge.
You buy it put it in there?
No. But me and your brother anything I fear for me.
Yeah, but that's not mine. We don't drink them juice, eh? So if you just go in the fridge and sit and just take up yourself.
You know, so me have a great mind for a woman do it. He corrupt bad, you know. He come here and say me and you live good. And he come like he want me to live bad. Me not like that.
Principle of principle. You can't sit in a people fridge and just go take up it and you don't ask a fool. If you did ask me and I did mine, would I just tell her say, alright, you can't take it. But I don't mind, me not even know who for drinks. Suppose I did poison in there, or could I just, you just drink, you're dead.
You see it? You know, say come like your woman now want me to deal though. Who fi put poison in her fridge? Tell her say he corrupt, you know. And he come like say you follow him to, you know. The evil will say nothing to me too.
You know, business, what you want, say principle of principle. So if you feel like set me up on our side, then well, fine. Principle of principle. You can't say people things and just trouble it. So, anyways, me I can go.
Run your go, man. Your woman corrupt, man.
See how they say, you know. And if me did a go along now, you know, no say me bad mind. I true me love you, you know, me no kick you down, you know. Go on where you go, man. What? Babes, how are you going at this maternity? Yeah. Eh? It's sexy, but not in this maternity. This come like as what they wear when they have baby in the hospital.
Peter.
How that? Where you go so late, brother?
I'm going late though, and mommy say, you know me I come from if you just go on back. So me just say me I come down here for one sleep. I can't come in.
Mommy still up. Babe, you ain't just a spending night, man. Cause mommy lock him out, so you just go and hold the couch until a morning. Boy, next time you have to go in early, brother. You have when me. See that? You see that?
Alright.
Yeah, man, how are you?
Alright, good. Do you want to catch up to talk to you about the show I have? Um, you know, you want to have a woman talk to you because we know you will understand. But just love you Peter. Everything alright out there, I tried to do and I want it.
You're not supposed to come down there and eat out your things and drink out your drinks and then leave a dirty plate and say you're not supposed to do that. But on the other hand, the way how me grow them is like they share things together. You understand? From them small I come up, then wear them one another clothes, then wear them one another shoes, and sometimes we told them eat out of one plate. And I say we don't have enough food, but how them grow. So
I understand
yeah.
that, you know, I not dispute that. I just say like, him know say, him Peter have a woman now. You know, just talk to him to make him know say him admire Peter so much. So me no want Peter to be the one to go to him and say, you know, have little boundaries and respect for the relationship for me in and out. Me rather come to you as a woman so you can understand how me feel, so you can now relate this to your son. Because even the other day, you know, I buy one shirt for Peter, you know, and I don't know if you see me now one new shirt, but I put it on my seen the shirt and him don't even wash and return the shirt. So them thing there, it kind of irritating, man, and I really would have appreciated me sure if you could have just talk to him and make him understand, say, him have to make some changes.
Yes, I agree, but them brother, and the party is so well with this shirt, as me tell you say, because Puppy done have a shirt, newborn shirt too, and Peter wear it, and it never create a problem. And the thing is this, right? As me tell you say, they're close and whatever. And me not want it becomes a conflict, but me don't want because of a woman, the two of them live bad. Because they never used to live so until when you come in at the picture. So you have to go find somewhere. You and Peter have to go talk, call Puppy Dan and she work out something. Because since that is an issue, well, you and Puppy Dan and Peter have to go work out about there. So.
Alright, sure. Man, thanks.
Yeah, man, and I hope you work out. If you want it to work out.
Alright.
Yeah, man, you too.
Why they look like that?
Where are you coming from?
Babe, come on, really? I'm coming from the ball field.
So I said you couldn't answer your phone for much hours.
Babe, really? Want me to play ball and have the phone on the field with me? I don't have to leave the phone one side. I'm never see the call them. Right now I'm a uncle that hurt me. My boy stepping on my ankle.
Peter, what you shirt to me buy if you put on Valentine's Day?
That shirt is in the basket. You know the basket is there?
You sure?
Yeah,
You
you
sure?
you all know.
Your brother me seen the shirt.
You sure it's got heat?
I mean buy him, I must know it look. Peter, I'm sick and tired of your behavior, and every time I talk to him, I feel like I'm me wrong, like me not for say nothing, me not for comfortable, me not have no space right there. So this don't make no sense. I bet I'm gonna go back on my yard.
Babe, I thought him always just pick up
That's
shirt.
why you always I go say you always go pick up for him, but them something don't make no sense. Think about it. If me have a sibling and my sibling come around you and every time you cook a straight in the pot she gone, you not eat, me not eat nothing. Nobody not eat nothing. We can't have no romantic time because we don't know when she go pop up.
Yeah.
And when she pop up, she gone straight in the bed.
Stop do that, man. I'm a little brother, man. I'm love him. So you don't need to be yourself.
I feel like a brother not mine. It's uncomfortable. And you not understand, come like you not grasp that.
So what you want to do?
I don't know, I cannot tell you what to do. Because at the end of the day, you're not a family. But me as a woman, I have to tell you, so I'm uncomfortable. And wait it up to you what you want to do. I'm going to talk to your mother about it. And it's like, she make it look like, say, I'm me. I come between you and him. I'm not like that. So if so be the case, I'm just going to go on my yard. Honestly.
Babe, look. I'm going to fix this. Here? I'm going to talk to you. I'm going to talk to you. But please, nobody make that stress you out, man. I understand how you feel and come on. Who would I want to buy them man and system of theirs
Exactly.
Yeah,
But him should have mind, man. Him should know them things, them something that simple things. You have to know, say, you know fi intrude so much. Anybody with common sense know all of them things there. And when I talk to him, it is like a beer attitude. You know why? You need to fix it, you know, because if me fix it, I'm not even say nothing else. But
one thing I don't like miserable, you know. What's for dinner? Eh?
I don't know what you want to eat.
Some curry pumpkin chicken.
I can't cook curry pumpkin chicken.
Well, me have to teach again. You just put the pumpkin in the chicken.
I can't cook curry pumpkin chicken.
Well, me have to teach again. You just put the pumpkin in the chicken. I go bail and come back here. To miserable. Love you, honey.
Nah, like, the ambiance, yeah, we really need it.
Yeah, down here is very nice. You should come here more often.
I try my best as possible to come as often.
So yeah, again, I can come down.
Yeah, me and Peter will come over already. You know, as I say, he's a very nice guy.
Can see you fall in love.
And
Can see that you like him.
no, I don't. I'm not get judgy for anybody. Right? I see a future with him.
Well, that's good.
You know I'm not get judgy for anybody. All is well, except for the fact say him have, you know, I don't know how him grew up, but him have one little brother them man. He's a brother from hell.
Eh? But you can't make him get in a your relationship. When could I do so?
Him a look there or something. No son, none of that. Him just, I don't know how them grow, but it's like him not understand himself. Him not know boundary.
So you're gonna make because of the brother, yeah, your man mash up.
Yes. Yes, if you grow a certain way, I understand. But you have a woman now, right? Priorities, right? You can't just come in the house and just tie up house and just spread out on the bedside, your bed.
So you're not saying I talk to Peter about it?
Him say,
Me know, but just talk to him just for sure. For make him know so you're uncomfortable. If nothing at all not change, then we do something to him
I
and get
talk
rid
to
of him.
Peter, whether you buy one shirt to anniversary and say me and him go out. You don't know, say not even 3-4 days after that, you must see that, and him is not Peter size.
So you don't like it for him?
I say I clean him up, you see man? I say I clean up Peter him too. Because I don't understand, because he must see him in the shirt. You understand? Some buy you something. And your brother just come and take it out and wear it like a female, Him no shirt by. Hey, listen. Right now I feel like all of mother don't like me. I feel like she don't like me because it's like from me and Peter then, him have to just shake up him folly grounds and certain things have to be different because him have a woman in the house. It's not a single man, it's not a man cave. And that may I explain to him. So it's like him brother have to stop coming on as often. But him still a go on, him still a annoy me and do certain things, man. Him still not understand. So you know what I can do? Me I go set a trap for him.
Me will help you. But
Yeah,
just
man.
have to set them up to understand themselves. We are on them out for them. Anyway, can go make a walk down the road.
Yeah.
Brother. Peter. Peter. How ain't gone?
You don't have a phone can call Peter if you want Peter. Why you always have to come around here unannounced? Just pop up so like you live in here. And you know so we have a problem with it.
So no, my brother, I can come up here anytime I want. I not
You
call.
cannot come here every time because I don't feel comfortable with it. And I care I talk to everybody and nobody cannot get through to you. Why your problem?
You know, say from what day I go like you can style me though. I mean I get
Oh,
finna
me
like
try
you.
style you.
Cause you try to break me and my brother friendship and never so me and my brother did stay, me and my brother live good. And see from you come here, everything change. I mean I like you, me I tell you the truth, me not like you. God
You
know me
need
not
to
like
get a
you.
place and get a woman or something. You're
You
in a
wanna
fool
take
with
your
life
style.
too much. I know nobody a try style you, puppy dan, but you need to understand, man. Go and understand yourself, man.
Up to what day I'll put something in a drink to kill me off.
You need to stay amongst the people and stay with their parents or
Say
get
nothing to me,
somewhere,
man. Me a top
man.
come on the place, man. Me a top come here.
Go look at
on.
work, man, or do something for yourself, man. So you know put couch in my drawers. You know remember you put couch in my drawers? Say no you know. I never you.
Come back on the place.
Stay down with your mother or your parents or get somewhere stay, man. You're a big boy no man. I need it to come here. I need it to come here right now. Mm-hmm.
Yes. Babes, what is it? There?
May I go home?
When you go home,
You have me here. I make your little brother come take liberty with me. My day me yard me alright in a Peter. Man nobody a take a step on me no. Me I go me yard because I can't take them disrespect you at all.
what him do?
When they come in here, me rub couch for my drawers. And I don't even say nothing to you, but you come in here and you start attack me about how me put pies now or whatever in a drinks for give your brother. But you know, see all of the antics them when I keep up in here. And you see, because I realize that me cannot write in the house here, I just like a gummy yard. Peter, I just like a gummy yard, and there's nothing you can say to me because at the end of the day, you and my brother. I'm not going to ask you for choose between you and your brother.
Babes, listen to me. Me have a talk.
Me I call one taxi to come for me today because I go pack right now.
You're not call.
So my brother yeah call me because I tell him say, I text him and tell him say, if I clear up my room.
Just don't, babes. You don't have to do this. You don't have to do this. Me have a talk to you. Me have a talk to you. Babes, me talk.
Yeah, go home.
No.
Yeah.
Babe. I don't want. Never talk. Here? Just stop. Listen. No.
My brother go come down here because he knows there's something wrong. Me go home. I'm tired of it. You talk to him already and nothing never.
Well, me have to put a stop into this. No.
Oh! Talking not working.
No. Alright. Can you just give me 5 minutes?
Go up there and come back. Please. Please.
Alright.
Pop it on. Yeah, my brother. And I'm a girlfriend that. You come like say intense. If you mash up, I want to mash up me and my woman relationship, brother. All the girl that talk to you, brother. Me and I make like everything, you know. Right now, you are my brother, she are my girlfriend, I'm there right in the middle, brother. In the middle, every day, argument, brother. You are arguing to me, she are arguing to me, brother. But yo, just don't come back down on me yard, brother. Don't come back down there.
But
If you don't want, watching them, don't sell
listen to me, I say, no.
brother.
Me have to come back down your yard, you know.
That
Me
you
have
have
a
to do,
yard,
brother.
you know. Me have
That
to
you have
come
to
down
do.
there, you know.
That
So me
you have to
see it,
do.
you know. You put the woman over me, you know. Me see it, you know. And now this prove, you know.
Bro.
Me have to come in your yard, man.
Bro.
Just go on down there. Not talk to me. Go on your yard.
That you have to do.
Me hear
Just
what
not
you
come
say, so
back
me
on
never
me yard,
come in your
brother.
yard. But go on your yard, I'm good, man.
Don't come back on me yard, brother. Cause I come like say me can't talk to you either. The girl, you can't just see people things and just
Me have to come back down your yard, you know. Me have a yard. And this proving now, say, you put your girlfriend over me.
yeah, my little brother, I'm love him and you, but you have to understand, brother, you can't just come at people place up. Me a man now, you know, brother. And me move out from here, cause me don't want to live here, so brother. Me move out from here, so brother. And me don't want me tired of here, so brother. I'm want to be by myself, brother. Yeah. And me allow you to come down there when you feel like me never there stop you, me never did that do nothing, brother. And you just come down there and want to create problem in a relationship, brother. In a house.
Me see you put your girlfriend over me, and that me see. And this prove because no, me can't believe you put your girlfriend over me. Can't believe you cheat me like me and your friend and me and your family.
But just if me did that disrespect you know as a little brother, you would have hate me, dog. Yo, just this I last time, brother. I don't want to see you back again, brother. Straight up, me I tell her that brawling. I don't want to see you back, brother.
You think I'm me a problem? Or she a problem?
Alright.
Well, go on, Rasta. The chat. Yeah, man. So I go on differently. Yeah, easy, man. Don't know if a man always easy. You see it? They are all the time, you know. So I go on that place. Me say, whole part things are going on down here, you know.
Whole part things are going on, yes. But me know it, brother. Stay out of trouble, yeah, man. You see me?
Well, I know I pass through place, you know, so I'm soon going back for my turf. You see?
Good night.
Oh, go on.
Yeah, man.
See, I did the nephew.
There, me one of my friend in the day out the road, I go and chill.
Well, this is the road. This is the Vibes Cartel song. Street no love nobody, man. Stay off of the street, man. You find something for do. You see, you better there yard and a farm up some things. You know what I mean? You look at your brother. You know if you're going to farming and a farm fool. You hear me? Because you see technology go fail on you know. So you see pan corner and hang out with friend. You better there get some natural something go and grow. You know what I mean? And start learn about the bushes and the trees and the bees. Judgment time will come.
Boy, uncle as I talk about brother, you know, so me and him leave a deal though. Because it's like, me and him live good, you know. But he get to a new girl. And see from that happen, it's like me and him no live good. He treat me some way. The girl all nearly poison me, put something in a drinks, vinegar, nearly poison me off. Me and him not live good. He tell me if I come back down my yard.
But here one now, you come out of one belly, so you go on better. You know what I mean? So what the problem though? Are you the one at the problem? What the problem? Girl at the problem or your brother at the problem? Why problem? Because it have to be a problem for the whole disagreement.
Boy, you know, say a girl have a problem though. She corrupt my brother mind. Or some things where he never used to do, I do it now.
So where you live now then? If you don't have a yard there, honestly there. Where you live
Me there, up there me live as always, but me always visit him down in the yard.
But you want now. I go talk to him about the brother. You know if you have a band, you know if you have a reason. If you realize, if you get one girl and try to get one girl get two. You have to feel woman there.
Goodly, they home.
So you can stay for your woman then, now check him then. Apart from that still, you know if you link said way, but if you realize you want space and the girl don't like you, you stay away from them. Let them go and do them thing.
You understand what I mean? But more talk to him, because my bigger one, him try really look out for you in one sense. But we have to be realistic in this time. You know what I mean? You see flesh is very deceiving. You understand? And the flesh will change your mind. So for your flesh, we have you stay to for your girl then and keep yourself off of the corner on the street. You understand? Report for your brother there now. When there?
Oh, I don't even know. Probably in the yard.
So you see a woman in the yard now?
Yeah.
Just see same thing you have for your woman turn off your yard, enough with your woman. Make your woman come up to your mother yard or go off your yard. But stay off of the street. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, your brother still man. Just enter and a girl that dash him where and done with him, you can't start go down there again. You understand? Because anything was bad in the last too long. So if she come with a bad energy, you only can't hold it for a while. You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm a man of experience, you know. So I've been with many different women. And the one them who give problem straight through. You only can't deal them for a while. After a while, they say, brother, if the come know say a good youth, you know. So if the girl would have something for her mind, she would have want something where she don't want you did it, or she want to some different things. So don't worry about that. Just reason the brother and him on the road then. If you go there, you know, tarry. You just heal him and cut. Tell him if you can link you one different place and then reason have a drink then. You know what I mean? But you know if you live as one. No. Just deal off of the road, man. Do what I say. You know what I mean? Hang out with your girlfriend. You understand? It better your mother hears your girl a breed for you than you mix up in some different things, right?
True.
So turn a yard and deal with that and allow the street alone. And if you have something to do on the street, you do on the street. Go and walk, you go back to your yard, do some farming. Better program the bush than the street. Anyway, do your thing, you know. I'm virgin there go on with that reason. But no longer than tonight before I go back and I cut out my plate, you know. Me go check your brother and talk to him. Alright?
Alright, yeah.
Alright, that's a word, man.
Big up.
Yeah. Peter, your uncle. Must have me teach you, know, strong in a daddy in a earth, you know, man. You move like a weak, so. What go on?
But there, man, I go on now, man. Where you
What kind of vibration me say I go on down here? Just your brother a while ago and say you diss him because a woman. I'm teach about flesh, you know, and I say you do thing, you know.
Uncle, put me down on style, uncle.
So I diss a bore up. Same thing you diss your brother over?
Excuse me? Bore up, what?
Bore up. Let's be a bore upon you.
First of all, my name is Shakwana. I am Peter's wife. Who are you? To be referencing me in that matter.
Babe,
Out of Adam, no.
Listen, relax.
You know what? You need to tell your nephew or whatever he is to you, he needs to calm down and he needs to understand respect and boundaries. Because the whole family and don't understand this.
Alright, watch out, man. Relax. I'm uncle. Relax.
But you not hear him refer to me a while ago, Peter?
Uncle, she's my queen. And them a bore up, I know nothing, you know, look disgusting. Alright. Me love it.
What may I say to you now? Me just say something, you know. Me say bore up. Because she bore up with more than one person or is, but thing bore. So me no decide. She come out hot and fiery. Them a control other me to test her personality. If she come out calm, mother know say I'm never the problem. She's the problem. Because you see how she come out, I true you maybe have a gear with sweeter and she get some sweet you. But what sweet nanny goat? I go run in belly. So I'm show you something say watch her now. Enjoy yourself, but me myself, you know, invest everything in another one here. You understand? Look good. Because rubbish look good for a foreigner. Look good.
Hello, no, I don't take this disrespecting now. Because someone I look poor and hungry right now, if you come disrespect me, a good house me come from. Yes, sir? That alone I want you to understand. No, I'm done. I'm serious. Come on, know who is this hungry man. Listen, a good home I come from here. I'm not a struggle. I'm going to know the whole family I come down from about because I don't take disrespect lightly. I'm going to understand. I'm done. No, I'm done.
Uncle, just relax, man. That's a come
But you mess. You see, you're a bigger brother, you must look out for your little brother. Get one of them said girl like give me turn a female then.
Get him a work.
Get one of them bore up something, yeah?
Get him a job. Get him a job. You're so concerned about him. Get him a job.
You know how much I know?
You can't give him a job.
In our work, you
can't. Get him a job.
Just say that, you just stop that.
Yo, uncle, me chat to you, man. Look who
You know.
About the excitement.
I go check your mother and make you have a family dinner. And you see two brother them. Uno is only one for no mother, you know. So uno can't cut like that way there, you know. Uno feel reason and try find a way.
Mr. Peter can't sex him, brother. And
Listen,
me have to do that. So
you can't-
the whole hand
It's not about sex, mama, because sex we have soon done. If I say you're running. Since you have so much sex to give brother some of sex too. Since you have so flush it, we could give you too hot. Give your brother some of it then. The brother them alright.
You some water me come through up on this dirty man.
Yo,
Coming
uncle.
Tell a girl
No, uncle. I'm rolling river.
No, me I say.
Uncle, I'm rolling river.
Listen, man, listen, man.
Stop foolishness.
Where from the mother come from? Riverton.
Peter, over the door.
Chakwana.
Sana come and knock out her down here.
Two out of man.
Like a jail man go back. Tell her where me I come from.
Uncle, look at more, man.
Me say, yo, see that girl there? Tell her where me I come from.
Alright, uncle, look at more.
Tell her where me I come from.
Look at more, uncle.
Wash your drink.
Chakwana, chop it down.
Yo, nephew, I go tell you, you know. The house here not even for you, you know. So you know how it go, you know.
Sir,
Yeah, what's going on? I go back to river, you know.
Sir, go.
I see why your brother.
Come back out there
Listen
now,
now.
Peter.
Listen, Peter.
Peter, tell him go on, no, Peter, 'cause I'm not gonna let him
I go send your mama come down here, you know. You know, say me never take it so serious. I go send your mother come down here.
Sir, mama tell you this.
I go send, no, mom make your mother-in-law contact you. Come here, wrong one.
Peter, let me go on your clock so me I go out there go do anything. Me don't need for you nothing, you know.
Jump
Swear
on
me
me.
don't need for you nothing.
Listen me now. I'm just coming from prison. First from prison, girl.
You want my job for some people come through up on your out there.
Babe,
You
stop that,
can't
no.
have strength for me. The whole I want to go on like son have strength for me. But one phone call me and make round river here.
Yo, daddy, I'm going to tell you something.
Yo, look
Listen.
at more.
No, you,
uncle,
me
please.
You see the reason why your brother and I don't get along? You see the reason why you and your brother don't get along? Because your girlfriend is a problem. And me go tell you something from now. You see that female there? It's gonna be better for you, you know. Yeah, she will call people a run river. Any day put your hand on her, she call her man them a run river. I go tell you, them girl not care one man, you know. Every boy represent for your man.
Babe, stop now. Uncle, a good girl, man. I just touch his teeth. Just leave her alone, man. Look at more. Shakwana.
Love me, mama talk. You hear the man that disrespect men I talk like him fake, like him feel like he's a nobody. Who is him if you come tell me
alright.
a gal
Sita.
and bore up.
Alright, Sita,
Eh?
take it.
And you come tell me about how much man. When you know about me, eh? When you know about me,
Yeah, just
and
stop
me
now.
and family have strength for, but me know me go to Adam, me go just go me hard.
Peter,
Hold on.
what me doing, man?
Oh,
I look at drive by going out the road, you know. Your brother get shot.
what you say?
You see why I look drive by going out the road, your brother get shot.
Which part?
The road, and they rush him down the hospital.
Yo, come on.
Hey, doctor say, babes. The doctor said.
Get 7 shots. 7.
7. Fresh wound, please tell me say fresh wound then.
I don't know, fresh one. 5 of them still in there, man. They don't know if you might make it.
I mean, I don't know if I'm going to make it. You nip on like machine or something? Stop fret out yourself now, man. Because at the end of the day, him not dead. Him still there with we. And him a hold on, him a fight. The doctor them say him a fight, Peter. Him a gonna make it him strong. Just believe in him. Stop stress and worry.
Hello?
Good afternoon. Is this Mr. Gordon?
Yeah.
Okay, alright. Your name and number was provided on file as a primary caregiver for Mr. Howell. I'm sorry to call and inform you that he has passed away.
What?
Yes, he has passed away, so you along with your family need to make all the necessary preparation to come and look at the body. Hello, are you still there?
Come. Papa.
This is your fault. This is your fault. This is your fault.
Baby, you're hurt. Calm down.
Whenever you,
Calm down. Don't say anything where you're not gonna meet.
whenever you burn out of there, my foot.
Peter.
Leave. Leave.
Peter, don't do this.
Leave. Leave. Please. Leave.
No, babes, you're hurt. Don't do this. Please. Please, look for me. I'm still there. You're hurt.
Leave. Leave.
Please.
Leave. Leave. Leave.
You don't mean this. Please.
Leave. Leave. Don't even worry. Come back for your clothes and me. Send them for a taxi. I'll send them.
know.